Hello everyone. So today in this video you will see some interesting things. I got a couple of friends of mine, as you can see over in the channel's jammers, that we got some plugins and we got on a multiplayer world, and this particular plugin makes the air not good, very not good, and it's always raining, and it's chaos. So yeah. Hey, jump start into this recording. I'm alive. I'm with friends. Check channels, cool boys.
I found another cow. Get back here.
Today the area is very dangerous to us, and everything wants to kill us. There's a skeleton. Oh my God, there's a skeleton. Oh my God, there's a skeleton.
Dude, this is absolute havoc. Oh my God. Oh my God. Dude,
Sometimes the blindness turns
off. Oh, that's a spider. Oh. Dude, spiders are spider.
It's raining.
This is raining.
Oh my God, I'm
Oh,
on the
and
ground.
now
This is
okay,
impossible.
No!
Oh, we need a. Oh, there's a spider. What is this? Guys, I've got a sapling. I've got a sapling. We need to get going. Oh my God, Reese.
Dude, I got stuck in a hole.
Who are you? I see you guys. I'm like, I don't know.
Oh!
Oh my God, there's two.
What killed me? A stupid spider, bro.
Oh, we need to find a cave. We need to find a cave.
Everyone get together. We gotta run. We gotta run. Go this way. Go this way.
What happened to all that good
Go this
stuff?
way.
What are you doing out here? It's gone. Hey,
Come
it's
this way.
gone.
Come this way. Come this way. Come this way.
Come on, follow Reese.
Now.
Oh my God,
Follow me.
creeper!
Follow me. Keep following me.
The air is
Get this
clean
way.
here.
Oh,
Guys,
spider. Oh, another creeper.
Oh, yes, because you're underground.
Oh.
Underground is safe.
Oh, Jesus.
There's a beehive.
Oh, I got a log. Oh, I got a log. I'm safe. I'm safe.
Oh my
I got a
God!
log.
Reese, we need to
There's
find
a
a cave.
spider.
There's a spider chasing us. There's another spider.
Just
No,
keep
no,
going.
no,
Just keep
no,
going.
no.
Just keep going. Just keep going.
Oh, I can't run. This is so bad.
The air burns.
Oh, there's a spider right in front of you. Oh God, skeleton, skeleton.
Run this way. Reese, Reese.
I feel very bad.
I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die.
I just have to find a cave and give our
Oh my
coordinates.
God, oh my
Just
God,
find
water,
a cave
water,
and give
come over here,
coordinates.
come over here, come over here. I found water.
Water? Bro, my blindness goes away when I'm under a tree sometimes.
Dude,
Oh, there's the-
my blindness, oh my God. Am I
Oh,
gonna die
shit.
right here?
Oh, no.
Oh yeah, okay guys, I'm about to die. I'm about to drop my sapling, Hayden.
No, run!
I'm safe, I'm safe, I'm safe. Fuck you guys, I'm safe. Oh my God.
Just
No.
tunnel underground,
I
guys.
made it.
Get some wood and tunnel
Oh.
underground.
No.
I'm going back for my stuff.
Okay, remember guys, the sapling isn't important since we're in the forest. We don't have to get a
Ow.
sapling just yet.
Please, there's. I found my stuff. There's too many things everywhere.
God.
Dude, this is
Alright, I'm
horrible.
going underground.
Alright, I've already been on the ground. Wait, is it always nighttime?
Yeah, it's always raining. It's not always nighttime, but it's always raining.
And you always have blindness?
Yeah, seeds. No spider! No spider! No!
Hi.
No!
Please give me a
No.
second.
No, please. No, please. No, please.
Matt, come down here. No.
I can't. Hold on. I gotta. I'm trying to make it. I can't run.
Okay.
I'm getting killed.
Matt,
Help me.
down
I'm
here.
coming. There's a spider hot on my tail. Skeleton.
We're
Run,
healed.
block it up.
Done. I got parts of the wood.
Is there any way you can survive in the gas?
The air is clean here. I mean, technically, yeah, but really, no. That's why you gotta. If you go underground and your status effects go away, it says the air is clean here.
That's so stressful.
Okay, guys. So I've got 6 logs and 1 seed, and I've also got bones.
I have dirt and I have wood.
Oh my God, I finally got tools.
Ooh, lag spike.
Holy crap, I finally got tools.
Swag.
Oh, that was a huge one.
Yeah, this is a turn for you. Alright, Reese, you need to get back to spawn.
Oh, I can't.
Hey, we need logs of wood. We need logs.
Alright, well, I've got
Yeah.
planks right now.
Yeah, I made all mine in planks. Here, I'm gonna make an
I-
axe. to go back up.
Dude, I'm
No,
so
I'm
close
going.
to being...
Oh, hey,
Dude,
make
how,
an axe.
how do you get food?
Oh,
You gotta
oh.
kill creatures?
Oh
Oh!
my God, you're dumb. Where's Hayden? Hayden's
He's
gonna
right
go
there.
up there. Take this axe. Hayden.
I've got the axe.
I'm,
Here,
I'm on
Hayden.
2.5 hearts.
The air is
Dude, there's
clean.
too much stuff up there.
There's way too much stuff up here. But I have to. I have to go back or I'm gonna die. I'm so close to not being able to run at all.
You can't run anyways.
So we need to find
Yeah, you
iron.
can.
Oh, I'm
You
gonna
can-
die.
You can if you don't have blindness.
I'm dead. I'm dead.
Air burns your lungs and saps your strength.
Okay, I need to know where my coordinates are at all times.
Oh my god, I got hating shit. I got hating shit.
Oh no.
This would not have happened if someone collected logs.
No, no, I'm gonna get killed. There goes all my shit on the floor.
Oh my gosh.
At least I'll spawn next time.
Oh, food.
Dude, there's so many creatures up here.
Yeah, I made a sword.
Oh my god, I'm surviving somehow.
Get down here.
All right.
Help out.
Just think, zombies can see us really well before we can see them. Keep that in mind.
So, if we found a cow and got buckets of milk, could we temporarily go up there forever?
The bucket of milk is only gonna get rid of the status effects for 5 seconds.
Yeah.
Oh!
If we can get a gold helmet or a pumpkin, we'll be golden.
195, 145.
Matt, down here, down here.
Well, you had it blocked up.
Yeah, down here.
Go,
I
block
found
it, block
iron.
it.
195, 145.
I've got rotten flesh.
I blocked it up.
Why'd y'all block this up? Oh,
Because it,
Why'd y'all block this up?
kill them.
Dude, if you go into water, you cannot see anything.
Kill them.
Then don't go in the water.
if you move out the way, Kate, I have a
Uh.
sword.
You just punched him.
Ow.
You just did.
We need to bring our crafting table and shit down here. Yo, Hayden, you hungry?
Realizes I'm lagging.
Give me the sword.
Never mind, I no longer have food.
Oh my god, I'm dead. There's no way I'm surviving. I just found a baby zombie and a creeper. Oh, string.
I like how Reese is not even playing with us at this point.
Look what I have.
Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. I'll make it to
Look
you
what I
somehow.
have.
Light.
Alright, I'll get the iron, I guess.
Dude, if we can make a
195,
shield too, we'll be
145.
really
Leave me
good.
in. I don't want to
Get away from me, baby zombie. I don't like you.
Baby Yoda, baby Yoda.
Alright, I'm
my
gonna make
stuff,
a.
my stuff.
I'm gonna make
Reese
a
is
little
doing
tree
all this
place.
shit.
Oh, I
Making
hate you.
stuff.
I hate you. Oh,
We need to find. I'm gonna make
no, I hate you. Oh.
What?
Where's your logs?
201.
I turned it into torches
Oh, okay.
so we could make trees.
Right.
Oh yeah, my dead stuff is still somewhere up there.
40 blocks to the right.
I'm at 1.5 hearts. Should I just kill myself since we spawned right and shit?
Oh
Just
shit.
watch
Reese.
for your coordinates. Watch for your coordinates.
Reese, you
Oh,
need
I
to know where the
respawned right.
coordinates are for us?
We can
No,
use
not
the
yet.
shield.
I'm trying to get my
Okay,
stuff
well I
first.
saw your little glowing body run off into the distance.
It's all okay. It's
Do we wanna
all
use
okay.
wood or do we wanna use oak?
I'm in the area. I'm in the area where my stuff is now. Just need to safely and.
Baby.
Oh my god, that's not safe. Oh, I hate you. Oh, I hate you. I hate you. I hate you. I hate
If you
you.
ever
Oh,
see wooden
oh,
tools, throw 'em
oh,
in the furnace.
oh, oh.
I don't
oh,
have
nope,
any.
that's not what I want.
The wooden tool I had,
and
I
I'm safe.
burned, or I died with.
Gotcha.
I'm safe. Oh, I don't have all my stuff though.
Alright,
Did I get
block
blown up by a creeper?
out.
Do,
If I do.
do, 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 do.
Guys, this is pretty intense. I'm not even gonna lie.
Oh my god, no.
I will
Get
be
away,
perfectly
get away,
fast.
get away. Get oh.
Yeah, you're gonna need that a lot taller, Hayden. You're gonna need that a lot taller.
I don't know how you're not killing me right now. But I killed you first. Don't die.
Latch
I'm
bite.
sa- Oh my god. The only thing I lost is all my dirt. What?
Reese, if you could come with us, you'd survive a little bit more often.
Where is Reese actually? Look at him close to the surface.
Do not come up here. It is horrid.
Alright, Reese, you need to come to like negative 239, negative 218.
Strip mine. Da, da.
Find us water, that'd be great.
We could use the bucket.
I can get stone in
Or
it.
we could make a bucket.
That's what I'm saying, but we don't have coal to cook the iron.
I got 12 logs. Or not logs, planks.
But I kind of think they're a little bit more valuable too.
Oh, you suck.
Oh, okay. I mean, you could use
That's
sticks, I
what
guess.
hurt me.
I mean, I just don't want to go back up to the surface because there's always gonna be spawned mob wise.
There you go. Put some planks in there. Ooh.
Fire
Eventful
Probably
start.
tomorrow. The air is clean here.
Oh, he finally got underground. I hear skeletons.
Reese, how you?
Okay.
I found
Need
coal.
those, actually.
Yeah, I know.
Okay,
You gotta go-
dude. What were the coordinates you said?
Like negative. I don't remember. Someone go up there and check it.
It's like negative 200 and negative 200. Around that area.
I'm going to expose myself to the death, so I can
Negative
glow.
200, negative 200.
Pretty much.
So that, okay, I'm tunneling underground, basically, is what's gonna happen.
Are you going to come all the way over here to us?
Yes, I'm tunneling all the way
Do
over.
you want the exact
Yes, give me the exact coordinate, that'll help.
negative 240, negative 211?
Okay, this is gonna be a lot harder than I thought it was gonna be.
Alright, I'm gonna try to go kill a skeleton.
Oh my God, Hayden, you're going to die and lose all your stuff.
I put everything in the chest.
Oh, so it's a suicide mission.
Yeah.
Oh, I found coal.
I found some up here. I dug through a wall and found it.
Dude, I feel like I'm in World War II, bro.
Oh, I
used
got
to-
one, but
wow.
I didn't get anything from it.
If
I
you
feel
find
like
my corpse stuff up there, somewhere to like the left or so, you
Dude,
should
I feel like a
find,
tunneler in World War
bone.
II.
Dig them trenches, boy.
there's a bone in
that's,
here.
That's the mood right now, bro.
I found some XP. and I died.
You're gonna have to make that larger for the tree, Hayden.
Like,
What?
You're gonna have to make it larger. That's not enough space.
like wider areas.
Why don't y'all guys do it, since you guys are so picky?
I'm trying. Picky is just how you have to.
Yeah, how is this supposed to grow with the space? It's gonna say no. It's not gonna grow.
Dude, I'm just trying to get stuff, okay?
Doesn't even care about our tree farm.
Dude, I'm trying to get stuff for the tree farm.
Oh my god. Oh, I made a mistake. I
We're
made a
trying to
mistake. I made
ensure
a
the
mistake.
trees actually grow.
Dirt.
Why aren't you with us, Reese?
Because I'm.
Because he
I'm
wanted to
digging
get
trenches.
loot before he came.
I'm digging trenches,
He's
dude.
gonna dig all the way over here to us. We're gonna have like a world network of trenches.
Oh, I see someone. I see someone. I see someone.
That's me.
Yeah, you should probably go to Hayden.
Oh, I see his name tag.
Oh yeah, I see Reese's name.
Oh my god, I see you.
I guess we can see.
If you get some light going, Reese. Well, Reese just died.
No,
No, that was me.
I got
wait, that
pretty
was him.
close. I got pretty close to dying.
You
Okay,
can see
I'm gonna
Reese
eat.
when they're on
Yeah, if you put some sort of light up and look around, Reese, you can see our name tags.
I have to tunnel so far. I can see your name tags, but I have to tunnel so far. Dude, this tunnel is so long. Holy crap. Oh, I need to stop running. I need to save my strength.
You can't even run.
Yeah, I can. You can on your ground.
Oh yeah, you're right. Yeah, don't do that.
I only have half a hundred.
Stone sword. Stone axe.
Just digging trenches, bro.
I'm digging towards you,
I'm
Reese.
digging.
Oh, I'm in a cave now. Ah! Ah! No, no, no. Ah, come on.
You saw his name over there, right,
I'm down.
Clayton?
I'm in a tunnel. Just grab my stuff.
I don't know where your tunnel is, though, Reese.
I think you're going in like roughly the right direction for it.
I am, but I just don't know exactly where his tunnel is. 'cause he's
Down
always
here,
been
Reese.
one-
Down here. No, don't dig. No, Reese. Hold on. Reese, don't just go digging holes into our base. Here, come over here.
Yo, dig where I am. I tell.
Reese, over here. Reese.
No, I'm not
Reese.
going back up there. I'm not going back up there.
Do not. Wait, who's that on the
Oh, I
surface?
made it.
Who's on the surface?
Hate
Made it.
me.
You got shot by a skeleton? I'm gonna go to
Yeah.
your tunnel.
Oh my
and
God,
pick
y'all
up your
scared me.
stuff. Okay.
Where's my? Okay, here it is. I was like, where's my tunnel?
Okay, I'm gonna put all of your stuff in a chest.
That's, thank you, Reese. I guess.
Okay, we can use torches as a sort of echolocator. Because if we put
Ow.
a
Yeah,
torch
suicide?
down,
Yeah, I was going down there so I could kill some of the stuff.
But that's where I died at. That
Dang,
tunnel.
bro.
That tunnel's
what's
where I
going on
died
down
at.
here? Holy shit!
Look out.
Oh, that's a skeleton.
Ah, fuck it.
Kill it. Look out behind you, I think.
Wasn't close enough
Or
to
look
kill
out
yourself
somewhere.
off the recent
I gotta grab my stuff. My stuff is right over here. Okay, I gotta go back up. Let me go back up. Let me go back up. I made it.
Where's mine? Where's my stuff?
Oh! There's monsters in here!
Hey, you got on purpose.
Move out the way, Hayden! Damn!
I'm digging around the zombie.
Oh my god.
I'm digging around the zombie.
Oh lord.
Oh my god.
Digging
Oh
around the
my
zombie.
god.
I'm digging around the zombie.
How did he
Digging around
get
the
in
zombie.
here? Oh, it's because we. Oh, he's still here.
I got a sword.
Wow.
Yeah, that's my
I ha-
sword, you
I have stuff now.
cock.
Can I have some?
I think the entrance is still open. Yeah, that's how they're coming in.
I do not know. Oh.
Okay, I'd like to make a doorway up there. A little
Oh
shack.
my god. I'm gonna make a door. I have 12 logs.
Guys, I need some help. We got visitors coming in here.
Do I need to make 2 doors? Oh wait, it makes 3 doors anyways.
Alright, we got some temporary food.
Oh my
zombie,
god!
Zombie! Don't hit me, Jesus! Who hit me?
Probably me.
Ow! Fuck you.
Why'd
oh, zombie,
you hit
zombie!
me? Oh shit! You useless ass bastard!
Ah.
Oh no! You
Kill
be-
that one
how'd you
zombie,
mess
just
up
kill that one
placing the
zombie,
door?
Just kill that one zombie. Oh my god.
Help me, Reese! That axe is a good weapon. It's better than a sword.
Someone left the door open. That was scary.
Because
Who
it's
keeps
blocked
leaving the
off.
door
You
open?
can't get in there from the door.
Yeah, that's why we're gonna make it on the outside.
Lord.
It's zombie baby.
Alright, Reese, I need you to kill that zombie with that axe you have, or that sword. And I need you to be my bodyguard from the surface.
Which one of you is swinging like there's no
Do you know how hard that is? Let me drop
Yeah, don't
some
swing
stuff.
like that, Reese. Don't swing like that. You're just wasting
Okay.
durability. And you're not doing that much damage.
Hi,
I'm making this chest into a double chest. Put everything in a chest. In the same chest, preferably. We all use the same stuff anyways, so it doesn't matter. All I'm gonna carry is a stone sword, okay, man?
Okay.
And some.
Well,
a
so
little bit of
far,
meat.
it's pretty clear up here.
I'm just carrying all the meat.
Ah, shit.
Okay, I'm coming. I'm here. What you need help on?
Hold on. I need you to make sure I don't die.
Okay, I'll try to
I
protect
hear
you
a zombie
as
gurgle
well as
in
I
the
can.
distance.
We're doing pretty good so far. I'm getting some coal and some iron. No.
I heard that creeper. Are you
Yeah,
close by?
we're doing pretty good so far.
Hey, you should probably, like, climb
Can't
up
hear
here.
anything for some reason.
I got you. Oh! Get out of here. Get
Don't
out
fall
of here,
down.
zombie baby.
Okay.
Oh my god, you bastard!
Oh
You
my
knocked
God,
me down.
creeper.
Oh, okay, you've killed us all.
No, I haven't.
Okay, I'm gonna go get a pickaxe. I've also got 1 heart and I'm gonna die from hunger. Oh, there's a zombie on the inside somehow. Oh, because he slipped through the gap in the door.
Impossible.
Reese, I can't get
How
out.
could he have thought that out?
How y'all doing?
I gotta
over there?
punch stone.
Dude, I'm actually surviving somehow. Oh my god, that's a villager zombie.
Oh, we don't have to kill it anymore. We can't exactly heal it yet.
Oh Jesus.
Dude, you know it'd be
Oh
nice.
my god.
You're mining.
Can't run.
No. Oh, what are they called?
need a door, I need a door.
Skeletons.
I got it.
There should be one in the
I
chest.
also have
Once I know there's a zombie in our house, like, oh my god.
why don't you just kill it?
Because I don't have
Hey,
a weapon.
Matt, climb up dirt. Climb up the dirt. Climb up the dirt. Climb up the dirt.
I need you to go down there with that sword and kill a zombie that's down there.
I'll go back.
You
down.
need to build a dirt staircase. Oh my god, zombie.
Oh my god, they're getting in from the trees. They're climbing up the trees.
Oh, they're getting in from a wide ass doorway. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god.
Well, I'm
Who
fighting off
took
zombies
down
by
the
myself.
door?
I know how to climb.
Who took down the door?
Me,
Oh my
because I'm
God.
putting it up here.
We need the door.
The door didn't do anything. It still got in.
I still got poisoned when I was in the base, dude.
Someone put a door
Ooh,
right
that's what I was trying to put the door back, but Reese is being retarded.
I'm not being retarded, bro.
Well, now there's
Why you
fixing to be one that
Why
walks
is this
in.
door right here? This door doesn't do anything.
Yeah, hey, toss it here. Hey, toss it here. Oh shit!
Door
Please,
doesn't
someone
do
who has a
anything.
sword. Reese has a sword, and he's not even being a bodyguard.
I have 1.5 hearts. Are you
Okay,
serious?
and you're gonna die for those hearts.
No, I'm not. I want to get more hearts, and I'm gonna wait until I have. I'm gonna wait till I have full strength. And people need to stop leaving the doors open. This happens way too many times in that too.
Reese, I'm pretty sure it was you. There was a dirt block above the door that they couldn't even get through. Why? Who destroyed that?
It's a good
I
question.
did because you can't get through the other way either. It just closes
Nothing
up the
comes in,
doorway.
nothing goes out. Why do we need to go back up the surface? We have everything that we need here.
Bruh.
Not just yet. We need a food source.
There's this thing called wheat seeds. We just need mine for a.
Okay, we'll do that, and I'll trust in your theory.
Can I get a torch up here?
Wait,
Maybe?
I'm gonna use your stairway. Hopefully I can find a.
Water.
Okay. Yeah.
I can get some water if you guys want me to.
If only you could fill it up by rain.
I'll go get some water.
I have the bucket, so.
Give me the bucket. Oh.
Reese, after your poor showmanship of defending our base, I don't think you really need to have the.
So it's at this moment that some arguments erupted, which changed the whole mood of the video. So I just went ahead and left them out. I hope you guys enjoy what you can see of it. So yeah, if you want more content like this, feel free to subscribe.